Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
Nice shot. Yep, he's right in the top. That's a big owl, man. Did you get that on film? Another Eurasian there, boys. Haha, cool. We're gonna be cooking up some doves. We're gonna get a couple right here too. It's gonna be fun. Okay. Look at them all. Holy cow. Did you get all that?
Yeah, the first one for sure.
Bullseye.
Juicy dove there. Killer. Wonder where all those ones went. Think I can hit one that far away? You on him?
I can't see him.
Right.
Okay, I'm on both of them.
I'm gonna shoot, try to shoot that top one. Nice shot. Got him. Nice. Sweet. All right, guys. Getting some birds on the ground. Cameraman Cody. Hopefully we're getting all this on film best we can. Between this camera and the shot cam. The shot cam right here, if you want to do some self-filming with shotguns, good investment, guys. Really good one. But let's see if we can't get a couple more doves on the ground. All right, guys, that's the first Eurasian dove of the day right there. It's cold out here, the windy. It's gonna be a tough one, but let's see if we can get some birds on the table tonight. Anyway, that's cool. Hopefully I can get a couple more. Dang it, they flew up too early.
Ah, oh, that's hot. That's hot.
It's about the littlest dove I've ever seen. It's a little guy. Anyway, it's a juicy morning dove there. That's what we're after. Cool.
Whoa, 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 hey, 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 hey!
Anyway, guys, when they're wounded, just rip their heads off. Quick kill, so they don't have to suffer. That's number 3. We're gonna have dinner on the table. Oh, yeah. All right. It's gonna be a hard one to find. Oh, yeah. All right, guys, there's another one. Hopefully we got that on camera, but hopefully I got it on my shot cam, but that was That was a long shot there. Cool. Catching her one by one, or shooting them one. Did you get that?
No.
Ah, I got 2 of them. Got a double, hopefully got it on the shot cam. Yeah, got a double, baby. There's one there. Got one right here. Cool. Got us a double. Killer. That's neato. Gonna have some dove poppers. Woohoo! Guys, we had a heck of a day. Absolutely slayed the doves. Killed it.
One's already dug.
Yeah, getting them all gutted like that. So I'll show you how we got our doves, and nice beautiful sunset, man. It was a good old time. Let's get back, let's get these gutted, and then we'll go back and we'll cook them up over a fire. It's gonna be delicious. So here we go. Okay guys, this is how we gut a dove right here. So we just break the wing, pull the wing off, dispose of it, do the other wing, dispose of it, and then you just grab underneath that breastbone and just stick your thumb up in there and just pull the back right off of it, just like that. Throw it away, pull the rest of the skin off, get all the feathers off the meat. Come on, wipe it on your pants if you have to. So try to stay in the center of this camera. Oh, self-filming is a pain in the butt, guys. I hope you guys enjoy these videos, because self-filming is a pain in the butt. Anyway, let's see, a little bit more feathers, come on. All right, guys, just like that. Pretty good. Don't drop it in the dirt. Anyway, we're gonna keep going, but that's how we do it right there, boys. All right, guys, we are here making us a fire on the outdoors. You guys all wanted me to cook outdoors more instead of my backyard, so we're out here. I brought my fire pit just to make it easier, but waiting for our fire to get nice and hot. Gonna cook up some delicious dove, just another dove recipe that I like to use, and it's pretty good. We got some corn on the cob as well, so it should be pretty juicy. So we're gonna get prepped up, and I'll show you how I cook these doves. All right, okay guys, so what we got right here is our dove breast. So we're just gonna put some salt, pepper, and then Cajun. And then we got some flour. I'm just gonna dip them in the flour like that. Boom. Okay guys, I think our fire's nice and hot. Ow, it is hot. There you go. Getting out of control. think these are done, boys. Ooh, yeah. It's gonna be good, guys. Nothing better than dove. Okay, guys, this is what we got right there. Some nice freaking juicy corn. Oh, yeah. And this is how I like to eat my doves, right off the bone, guys. Just like this. Eat right off the bone. You gotta be an animal out here, guys. If you're gonna hunt and cook in the wild, eat it like an animal, baby. Oh yeah. It's good stuff. Perfectly cooked. Just a little bit of blood in there. Come on. Ah, it's good, guys. Woo! All right, guys. You get back to the house. Just get a plastic bowl big enough to put all your doves in. Fill her up with some fresh water. Put 3 tablespoons of uniodized salt. So it's the salt that dissolves in water. So it's gotta be anodized, whatever that word is. Maybe it's on here. Quick stir, so it dissolves. And go ahead and put your dove meat in there and let it, go ahead and put your dove meat in. And then I like to let mine sit for at least 2 or 3 days. It takes a lot of gamey taste out, sweetens up that meat a little bit. That's what I enjoy doing. You can just put it right on the fryer and eat it like this, but I like to just soak it in salt water for a few days. Just kind of sweetens up the meat and tenderizes it a little bit. So anyway, you guys can make that choice when you cook them. But it does help a lot. Anyway, we'll wait for a few days and then we'll get to cooking. It's gonna be good. Okay, we are back in the kitchen. So we got some dove meat right here. There's 2 doves for now, just for the video. And then what I got right here is we're making dove poppers. So I got some bacon, some pepper jack cheese, and some jalapenos. If you like heat, I love spicy stuff. So anyway, we're just gonna cut the meat off the bone. I'll show you guys how I do that, and then we'll wrap it in the jalapeno and the cheese and the bacon, and we'll go put her on the fire, and it's gonna be delicious. So here we go. Okay, so this is how I do it. Get you a fillet knife or something real sharp and just cut right along the breastbone right there. Just get as close as you can to that bone. Just kind of just take your time and just get all the meat you can. Less meat, the better. Or the more meat you get off, the better it is. Like that. So there's a good piece of meat right there. That's gonna be juicy, man. Woohoo! So now we'll do it this way. Kind of like carving a fish, I guess. It's been a year since I've done it, so I'm actually not that good at it either. It takes a couple doves to get good at it. There we go, right there. Okay. There's 2 good pieces of meat. Piece of meat right there too. Ooh, God, that's gonna be juicy. Oh, my mouth's watering right now, guys. Mouth is watering. Close to that bone as possible. Okay, so yeah, just have something like that. Got some good pieces of meat right there. Okay, we're just gonna do some pepper. Light sprinkle, come on. Light sprinkle of pepper. Light sprinkle of salt. Come on. Light sprinkle of salt. And then just a hint of onion powder. Just a little bit of onion on there. And then good old Cajun seasoning. Gotta go with Cajun with Dove, man. It's good stuff. On the back side, I'm just gonna do Cajun. Oh yeah, perfect. Ooh yeah. Put that together like that. We'll actually squeeze that cheese in there. And we'll get our bacon. I'm not incredibly good at this, guys, so bear with me. Wrap that sucker up. Okay. I just stuck a toothpick in there. That's a good popper right there. Might not be the prettiest. I'm sure people are better at it making these than me, but that's how I make them. So there we go. Let's get our cheese in the middle. Bacon. Oh, now we're working. Wrap that sucker up. And then stick it. Stick it. Got so I look at meat, meat, cheese, jalapeno, bacon. And this one, I'm gonna try something different here. I'm gonna wrap that, and we'll wrap it. Again, come on, work with me, bro. Wrap it like that, wrap it the bottom bacon. Try that too. Why not? Give it a different style. Give it a different style. Let's see, I'm gonna get through the whole spiel. Here we go. Pop that on the other side. So there's another way to do it. Oh, that's not too bad. So we'll do a little better this next time. Let's do that, stick that in there. Maybe get some stretch out of that bacon. Get some stretch to it. Put it there. Go there. It's a little better, getting prettier. Getting a little prettier. Not bad. Stick it. Right there, guys. Put it on me. Right there is gonna be pretty juicy going on the fire. It's gonna be good. There's 4 doves. I mean, that's 2 doves right there. That's you know, if you don't kill a lot of doves, you can still get a pretty good meal out of it. So yeah, that's pretty good right there. There's a lot of food right there. So let's go put her on the fire and cook her up. All right, guys, we got a hot pan. Let's go ahead and throw that on there. Oh yeah. It's gonna be bomb, man. Listen to that sound. Music to my ears. Music to my ears. There's just nothing better than cooking over fire, guys. Ooh, God, there's something about the smell, the smoke, and the cooking. Just reminds me of the outdoors. I wish we were out in the wilderness. We have a strict fire law right now, so I can't really go out there and start a fire. So it's illegal right now. We're so dry and have a huge drought right now. So hopefully we get some rain this winter. So let's pray for some rain and snow and get some wet winters going, because it is hot and dry. My heck, I mean, you can just see I'm just sweating to death, man. It's hot. Okay, guys. Try to get that shadow out of there. That is freaking delicious. Woohoo! Heck yeah. That's good, man. Gonna let it cool off and it's time to eat. Okay, guys, it is so hot out here. Oh my gosh, I am like sweating to death. But here we go, right here. And they cooled off enough for me to eat. So here's a good old chunk right there. Mm. Mm. Woo, it's hot, guys. Wow. Woo. That is hot, boys. Whoa, that jalapeno took a punch, man. Woo. Now I'm really gonna start sweating. Holy cow. Oh, so I start breathing fire. Oh man. Delicious, guys, absolutely delicious. I cooked up probably for 10, maybe 10 minutes altogether. Just kept flipping it and tossing it, trying to keep it about a rare or medium to medium rare on the meat. Oh my gosh, guys, sorry. It's like 100 degrees out here. I had to cook this. I wanted to wait till the evening, but I'm going elk hunting this evening, so I only had a few minutes to film this, so I'm kind of in a hurry here. But anyway, give this recipe a shot when you shoot your doves. Let me know in the comments if you like it. I'm gonna get out of here. It's too dang hot to be eating out here, so make sure you hit that like button, guys. Hit that subscribe button. We'll see you guys next time. Take care, all. Love you. Peace.